All right, brand new 2013 Mazda 3 pearl white. It's kind of got like a pink shade to it. Brand new tires. Running real good. The passenger side windows, all four windows rolled down. It was just kind of sticky there at first. So right now I'm about to go wash this thing off down here at the car wash. Real nice interior. Oh, real nice interior. Air conditioner blowing good. The reason why the air conditioner was messing up is because of the battery. Battery didn't have enough voltage. I'm about to go down here and clean it at the tile wash. Woo. But it's got a little bit of dirt around the edges right here on the headliner, but that's all right. She's driving like butter, boys. This sucker is moving. Oh my God, it just broke down. Yeah, it's got a little bit of 108 horsepower on it. $313 insurance. That's freaking nuts. Full coverage insurance though. Let's go over here and do a little soap sudsy spray right quick. A little soap sud down here at the rain wash for $15. These guys are freaking expensive. That and my key fob battery is dead, won't work. I had to manually lock everything. Yeah, she's looking nice. Got a little bit of leather on it. Door shut. Back door shut. Never been in an accident. Looking pretty good. Let's see, soap, which I'm gonna go foam brush. Oh, I thought this was touchscreen there for a second. $1.75. Verifying card. Oh, we're foaming. All right, I'll get back to you.